Good day everyone, I am Ira Major Huwai, and in this video, we will reporting about Chapter 3, which is the Programmable Logic Devices. So, unsa ang Programmable Logic Devices? Ang Programmable Logic Devices or PLDs kay mga chips siya nga pwede nimo i-program nga makahimo og kanang lain-laing functions. Slide number 2 is a roadmap. So, ang inside sa slide number 2 kay kuan kana mao ni siya ang outline sa topic na programmable logic devices. So, inside ato is na ang definitions, purpose, advantages, types, configuration o conclusion sa PLDs. Slide number 3. Timeline of programmable devices. This slide shows the history or evolution of programmable devices. From the old fixed circuits hangtod sa mga modern PLDs nga mas flexible o programmable. So nagpakita ni kung giunsa nagsugod og ni-develop ang mga programmable chips. Slide 4. Ang programmable logic device kay usa ka integrated circuit nga pwede i-configure sa user.
I am Judy Minerva and I will be explaining my assigned topic. My assigned topic is about PLDs. Number 1 is purpose of PLDs. Permits elaborate digital logic design to be implemented by user on single device. Is capable of being erased and reprogrammed with a new design. So, ang PLD, reprogrammable logic device. Kaya usa ka chip na pwede nimo i-program para mo-perform og lain-lain digital logic designs. May rest of my reprogram siya, meaning kung gusto nimo usbon ang design, pwede ra nimo i-update sa bagong design. Para siya ang board na pwede nimo turingan o usbon anytime depende sa imong kinahanglan. And number 2 topic, advantage of PLDs. Cost-effective in lower volumes, short design time, well suited for academics and prototyping. PLDs are cost-effective in lower volumes, kaya kung gamay ra imong kinahanglan nga chips, mas tipid siya kaysa maghimo og custom ASIC. Mas short ang design time, usab kay pwede nimo i-program resource ang PLD. Di na kinahanglan maghimo og bagong chip gikan sa zero. Tungod aning, ang PLDs will suited for academics and prototyping. Perfect na sila para sa students o sa mga gusto mag-test sa ilang design kaya dali ra i-modify o i-experiment. PLDs save time, save money for small project o flexible kaayo para sa learning o testing before mag-invest.
Slide 5. Purposes of PLDs. Naay duha ka purposes ang PLDs. Una, para makombine nimo ang daghang digital logic sa usa lang ka chip. Ikaduha, pwede nimo i-erase or i-reprogram kung naa kay changes. Slide 6. Advantages of PLDs. Part 1. Una, barato para sa small-scale use o dali ang design time. Kung estudyante ka or tester, mas okay ni, kaysa yun i-modify o i-try ang design.
So good day everyone, I am Rachel Cadalin and my topic is all about advantage of PLDs. So, programmability. PLDs can be programmed to implement different logic functions. So, according to the designer requirements, this flexibility allows a single PLD to replace multiple fixed function to logic chips. So, ang difference aning reprogrammability, the difference ani is many PLDs can be erased and reprogram multiple times, making it easy update or correct design without replacing the hardware. So, in circuit reprogramming, some PLDs can be reprogrammed while still on the circuit board, so you do not need to remove them. So this save time and reduce the risk of damaging the board during replacement.
Slide 7. Advantages of PLDs Part 2. Programmable o reprogrammable bisan wala tang tanga sa board. Low cost og dali i-apply sa hardware. So, ang advantage niya kay flexible o practical siya. Pwede nimo siya i-update anytime.
So, low cost of design. By using a single PLD instead of multiple discrete logic chips, so the overall design cost is lower per components. Also reduce the assembly and maintenance cost. So, immediate hardware implementations. A program PLDs can immediately implement the desired logic and hardware. So, programmable logic device PLDs are digital components that kan nga program nga nagperform siya sa specific logic function. So PLDs have a several advantage over older 7400. So the series TTL transistor chips per components, one PLD can replace several TTL chips, so reducing the board's power consumption and wearing needed.
Pasabot ani, makasave kag place, power, and wiring. Ug kung usbo nimo, reprogram ra. Dili na kinahanglan i-rewire ang board.
Types of PLDs. PLDs are electronic components used to build digital circuits that can be programmable to perform specific logic functions. The slides show that PLDs are divided into two main types, which is the SPLDs and HCPLDs. SPLDs is simple programmable logic devices. This includes the room, PLA, PAL, and JAL. The room is read-only memory, PLA is programmable logic array, PAL is programmable array logic, and JAL is generic array logic. For the HCPLDs is high-capacity programmable logic devices. This includes the CPLDs, complex programmable logic devices, and FPGAs is field programmable gate arrays. The SPLDs includes the room, PLA, PAL, and JAL, which are used for simple logic tasks, and for the HCPLDs includes the CPLDs and FPGAs which are used for more complex circuits. In short, this slide show how PLDs are grouped based on their complexity and functions.
Slide 9. Types of PLDs. Mauni sila ang mga klase sa PLDs. Number 1. SPLD. Simple Programmable Logic Device. Number 2. ROM. Read-Only Memory. Number 3. PLA. Programmable Logic Array. Number 4. PAL. Programmable Array Logic. And number 5. GAL. Generic Array Logic. So, kaning mga types of PLDs, lahi ni sila og structure og function, depende sa application. Slide 10. Simple Programmable Logic Devices. Ang SPLD kay pinaka-simple og barato nga PLD. Gamit para ipuli sa basic gates which is the AND or og NOT.
I'm Reven Catillon. I will be explaining my assigned topic, simple programmable logic devices. A simple programmable logic device is a type of integrated circuit that can be programmed to perform basic logic functions like AND or AND.
Slide 11. Programmable Logic Arrays or PLA. Ang PLA kay usa ka klase sa PLD nga mo-implement og combinational logic. Naay programmable AND ug OR gates nga pwede nimo iset para sa imong desired output. So, gigamit ni siya para buhaton ang logic function sa digital circuits.
Next slide. Programmable logic arrays. A programmable logic array is a type of integrated circuit that allows users to create custom logic functions.
Good afternoon. Our topic for today is about electronics. Programmable logic array PLA is a digital integrated circuit that enables implementation or arbitrary logic function through a present program of its connection structure. Their flexibility is beneficial for handling the intricate logic required. Combinatorial logic affects to a type of digital logic circuit where the output is solely determined by the present input values without any memory of past input. EROM Programmable read-only memory store the binary logic pattern configuration that for the PLD. EF from electrically erasable programmable. Read-only memory is a non-volatile memory that data without power and support electrical reprogramming at the byte level. Its unique combination of non-volatile and flexibility. Static RAM is a high-speed volatile memory that uses flip-flop circuit to store data without requiring periodic refresh cycles. Here's a detailed breakdown. Flash memory is a non-volatile storage technology that retains data without power. It widely used a portable device, embedded system, and enterprise storage. Due to its high density, low power consumption, and shock resistance.
Slide 12 continuation. Dili tanan PLAs kay field programmable. Ang ubang nakabutang na sa microprocessors, dili na pwede i-reprogram. Kung built-in na siya, dili na nimo ma-edit or ma-change ang logic. Slide 13. PLD configuration. Ang configuration sa PLD kay combination sa logic device ug memory. Dira naka-store ang program pattern. Types of memory. EEPROM, non-volatile pero kailangan tangtangon sa circuit para i-reprogram. EEPROM, non-volatile, pwede na mo i-reprogram bisan naa sa board. SRAM, volatile, mawala ang data kung walay power. Flash, non-volatile o reprogrammable. Diri nimo makita unsaon pag-save sa design sa sulod sa PLD.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Joshua Yanira, and this is my report about SRAM, Static Random Access Memory. A type of RAM that stores data using static latches. It's retain data as long as power is supplied. And reprogrammable, yes, it can be written to and read from quickly. Volatility, volatile meaning data is lost when power is removed. An example used in CPU caches due to its speed. And flash.
Go.
Flash memory, a non-volatile memory that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. And reprogrammable, yes, but it has a limited number of write cycles. And volatility, non-volatile, meaning data is retained even when power is off. An example, used in USB flash drives and SSD. EEPROM, erasable, programmable, read-only memory. A type of ROM that can be erased by exposing it to ultraviolet light. And reprogrammable, yes, but it needs to be removed from the circuit from erasure. And volatility, non-volatile, example, older BIOS chips in computers. EEPROM, electrically erasable, programmable, read-only memory. A type of ROM that can be electrically erased and programmed without removing it from the circuit. And reprogrammable, yes, it can be done while still in the circuit. Volatility, non-volatile. Example, used in BIOS chips in modern computers and in some microelectronics store configure that. Example, PLA used in complex state machines where both the input condition and output configuration programming PLDs are programmed using hardware description. Languages, HDLs like BHDL or Verilog. Example, an engineer used BHDL to design a digital filter and then uses a development tools of comply and program the design into an FPGA. The FPGA is then configured to perform the filtering operation in real time.
Slide 14. Configuration table. Table nga nag-compare sa mga memory types. Is RAM, reprogrammable pero volatile. Flash, reprogrammable o non-volatile. EEPROM, reprogrammable pero gawa sa circuit. EEPROM, reprogrammable sulod sa circuit. Nagpakita ni kung unsa ka stable o flexible ang memory type.
Conclusion, history, definition, and reprogrammable logic device. And definition, a programmable logic device, PLD, is an integrated circuit that can be electrically figured to implement different logic function. Unlike fixed function logic gates, PLDs can be customized to perform specific tasks. An example, in traffic control, PLD can implement the logic for sequencing the lights based on sensor inputs and timing requirements. Purpose, custom logic implementation to implement custom digital circuit without the needs for full custom design. And advantage, flexibility can be reconfigured to change functionality, and reduce size consolidates multiple logic components into one chip. Types, PLA, programmable logic array. Both AND and OR array are programmable, and PAL, programmable array logic, and AND array is programmable while the OR array is fixed. GEL, generic array logic, electrically erasable and reprogrammable, offering.
Slide 15. Conclusion. History, definition, purpose, advantages, types, o configuration sa PLDs. Ang PLDs importante kaayo sa electronics, kay dali ra i-reprogram, iusab ug i-apply sa mga design.